if we settle on the moon? Ever thought of buying land on the moon? Settling there? Where would food, water, and power come from? Let's find answers to these questions today. First, let's see how it would be like to settle on our satellite. Good space suits with great oxygen supply will be the first requirement. A shelter would be required. It's assumed that the first kind of shelters would be built with the help of robots and would be inflatable, and later construction would include the use of different kinds of cements and moon soil. The food that would be consumed for a long while would be the one brought in the spacecraft. Later, growing food on the moon would be considered. Water can only be manufactured by taking liquid nitrogen from Earth and reacting it with oxygen on the moon. Solar panels would be another construction essentially required to be done. Scientists suggest living on the south pole of the moon due to consistent sunlight. Now let's consider the problem we faced. Large capital investment would be required for this project. How long will these structures last? This is a big question. The moon soil is toxic and the moon dust can stick to our skin, clothes, and equipment, causing allergic reactions to us and damage to our equipment. With no clouds limiting efficiency, solar power generated by the solar panels would have to survive the 354 hours lunar night. The size of the sun in the moon sky is the same as that in the earth sky, but due to the absence of atmosphere on the moon, it's never free of the sun's harmful rays and even meteorites. Only astronauts with a high level of training will be able to make it to the moon. Now let's see some of the benefits of living on the moon. The moon is full of resources like gold, silver, and titanium in it, so mining there could fetch a country millions of wealth. Helium-3 is found in large amounts on the moon and has a lot of power to generate electricity at a large scale. It will also be super expensive on Earth as it's available in very little amount on our planet. Moon's gravity is 1/6 that of Earth, and it's said that due to less gravity, human lifespan might increase to 150 years. Optical astronomy from the moon would indeed be a spectacle. Owning land space on the moon would be a great achievement, but which country will first achieve this is still a big mystery. We might be able to achieve this with excellent pace at which science and technology are growing. But will we ever be able to establish complete settlements on the moon? Let's leave this question with the future to answer. That's all for today. See you in the next video.